GetResponse Sending Messages Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to GetResponse and more details are available in the description below. If you're looking for a robust tool to manage your email marketing campaigns and connect with your audience, GetResponse might be the solution you need. Designed for small businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs, GetResponse offers an all-in-one platform that covers email marketing, autoresponders, list management, and more. One standout feature is its intuitive drag-and-drop email builder, which makes designing professional-looking emails quick and easy, even for beginners. Plus, the automation tools allow you to create complex workflows to target your audience based on behavior, ensuring higher engagement rates. Another key benefit is GetResponse's impressive range of templates designed to fit different business needs, whether you're promoting webinars, sending out newsletters, or running promotions. Integrating with other platforms like e-commerce sites and CRMs is seamless, allowing for a smoother user experience. Their customer segmentation and analytics tools help track open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics so you can optimize your campaigns efficiently. This tool is created for those who value simplicity without sacrificing advanced capabilities. It's perfect for growing businesses that need to stay in touch with their audience and automate follow-ups without complicated setups. One thing to keep in mind is that while GetResponse's basic plan is quite comprehensive, more advanced features like webinars and CRM tools require higher-tier subscriptions. In summary, GetResponse is a solid choice if you're looking to streamline your email marketing and increase your productivity. It's built to support both small-scale operations and more extensive marketing campaigns. Make sure you fully explore the free trial before committing to see if it fits your unique needs. If you found this honest review useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward, expert reviews that help you make informed decisions. Your engagement helps others discover valuable insights too. Thanks for watching.